Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. I hope you guys doing well today because I'm doing amazing. Guys, in today's video I had some great ideas for you. I have some great tools that you're going to see, you're gonna love. And guys, I can tell you, holiday season is approaching. Me, I love doing DIY. I love personalize my stuff. I thought I could share with you all my great ideas. I had a video that I did, but I didn't do the full detail. Today is in full detail on how I create everything. Guys, if you want to see more, make sure to watch the video till the end. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, this video is in collaboration with xTool that sent me this M1. Guys, I'm so excited with so many projects I'm about to creating. It will be very easy for me to label my things. Guys, as you open the box, you're going to see so many ideas, and this machine can laser cut, laser engraving. You can use vinyl to make t-shirt, to make mugs. Oh my goodness. So the possibility to create whatever you want is endless. With xTool, you can turn your imagination into creation. If you are someone like me that has a large family and you have a lot of friends, so this is the best way to start because you can create so many fun stuff, so many DIYs. It will be easy for you to keep your home organized by labeling everything, you know, by creating so many fun things. I will take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, I do DIY, home decor, clean with me, I do my hair. Guys, if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all, guys, and keep on watching. Those parts, you put them inside the machine whenever you laser cutting. It comes with 5 blades that you use whenever you're not laser cutting to cut vinyls and other materials. When you switch into blades, you have to make sure to use caution because they are sharp.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it.
It comes with a sample of a base wood that you can use for laser engraving or laser cutting.
You try really hard, but
the power button is in the back. As you can see, you can turn it on and off, and this is the exhaust you must put outside or using a smoke purifier to be able to laser cut and laser engraving. And those are material for you to get started. Guys, before you can use the machine, you must download the xTool Creative Space. Guys, that's where you're gonna be able to see inside the machine. It has a camera. You're able to see your work before you print it. It's very cool. Guys, that's the app. It's super easy to use. If you don't know where to start, they have some great ideas. You can check them to see what you like and then just go from there. Okay guys, let's start creating some project and keep on watching. As I said earlier, with the camera inside the machine, you can see exactly where the work going to be and everything. And as I said before, the app is very easy to use. Just imagine what you want to create and then just put into work. When I'm done with everything that I'm doing, I just need to press start from the app, and once it's loading, it's gonna give me the option to press the start button in the xTool machine.
Being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it.
It takes 1 minute and 48 seconds for this project.
For once, for once. But sometimes
This is my very first project, guys. I'm excited. I can use it in my interior, in my table, my kitchen, everywhere. Guys, I couldn't do too much laser cutting, laser engraving because it was running too much, and I have my smoke purifier coming. So be sure to come back to watch all the things I can create with this xTool M1. So excited.
underground for so long in the dark.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur channel moi. Sur la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue, non moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos, moi aime non.
Waiting for time to reveal 100 new colors in me.
Guys, you know it's my first time using the machine. I was trying everything. As you can see, I was able to transfer a picture, but it's gonna be black and white. Okay guys, right now we're going to do some vinyls cutting, and this is one of the part that I love about the machine too. Guys, I use this a lot. I do my pillows, sheet covers, I personalize everything, t-shirt, name it, my mugs and everything. I personalize everything. I really like the fact I can laser cut, laser engraving, and use vinyls because guys, I love making t-shirt. I love personalize everything. I love to put label on everything that I have. And guys, my DIY, my table setting, as you can see right now, I'm making my pillows. I really love to personalize my things because you don't find them everywhere. And guys, this is another DIY. Guys, while I'm working on the DIY, I can see exactly the vinyl inside the xTool, so exactly where I put the letter. It's very nice. So as you can see, it's fall season, so I'm using fall maple leaf, so just to make my pillow very nice. So my word. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And guys, one important thing you need to do whenever you're working with the vinyl, you have to make sure you go to reflect, just follow the mouse, and you just change everything to horizontal.
Put it under pressure. Hold it to the fire. Diamond in disguise.
Once you're done with everything, press the start button and press the start button in the xTool as well.
Catching your eye.
As you can see guys, when everything is peeled off, it's super nice. I really love to create my own things, to personalize everything. It makes my home very unique and give me a great sense of achievement.
Give it time. Put it under pressure. Hold it to the fire. A diamond in disguise. Meant to shine. Meant to shine. Meant to shine.
Moving on to the next project guys, this is me creating my t-shirt. Guys, you know, if you're somebody that just start, so it's a good tools to have. And guys, as you can see, you can make your t-shirt to promoting yourself. So when I'm on the street, so I wear my t-shirt, people always ask me, what does that mean? So I always tell them that's my channel. So people are always curious and they are going to see what it's all about. They may be potential subscribers. More traffic I'm sending to my channel. You know, guys, it's always good to advertising yourself. As you can see, guys, this paper, you have to put the shiny part face down, because if you put it the other way, you will not be able to peel it. You will need a transfer tape to peel it, but it's best for you to put it the shiny part down when you're working with this vinyl. Guys, each project are different. This logo was able to create 7 minutes and 58 seconds, which is very good because I have so many detail on my logo, make it not super fast like the other project that I work on. And guys, one other good thing about when you work with this machine and the app, if you're doing multiple work, you can just put proceed and it's gonna start again. You don't have to go back to write nothing. It will save everything. So guys, it's pretty fast, pretty easy if you want to make multiple projects at the same time. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Okay guys, this is the last project for today, and this project took me only 1 minute and 29 seconds. Guys, imagine even you're making 50 t-shirts like this. Guys, don't forget to check the link in the description box down below. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.